Do you want to go on vacation but are still confused about how to pack so that your luggage can fit in just one suitcase? Find the answer here. 1. Choose the right suitcase. It is an important step to choose a suitcase that is large enough to hold your luggage, but still comfortable to travel with. Also, it is recommended to choose a suitcase with a top opening so that you can easily pick up and put down your luggage. 2. Make a list of items. Before you start packing, try to note down what items you want to bring. Don't forget to separate the outfits you want to use for each day so that it's easier to tidy up and not messy. 3. Use a travel bag to separate items. Travel bags are useful to help keep the contents of your suitcase from getting messy. By separating each travel bag for daily outfits, underwear, accessories, shoes, bags, toiletry kits, and medical kits, you will be able to easily find and reorganize your suitcase. 4. Vacuums clothes. Using a vacuum can help you carry a lot of clothes because it can make the volume of your clothes thinner and can make clothes more compact, especially winter clothes are usually pretty thick. Safe travels, and may your journeys be seamless and enjoyable.